Welcome back to Modern Psychology, the channel where we delve into the intricacies of the human mind and explore topics that can bring healing and transformation. I'm your host, and today we have a deeply important subject to discuss: the science of trauma, healing the wounds of the past. In this video, we'll explore the science behind trauma, understand its impact on our mental and emotional well-being, and discover evidence-based strategies for healing and resilience. Join us as we embark on this journey of understanding and healing. Let's begin. Understanding trauma. Trauma is an experience that overwhelms our capacity to cope, leaving a lasting impact on our psychological and physiological well-being. Let's explore the key aspects of trauma and its effects. Defining trauma. Trauma is a deeply distressing or disturbing experience that exceeds our ability to cope or integrate the emotions and sensations associated with it. It can result from various events, such as accidents, abuse, natural disasters, or witnessing violence. The impact of trauma. Trauma affects individuals on multiple levels. It can disrupt our sense of safety, trust, and control, leading to psychological, emotional, and physical symptoms. Trauma can shape our beliefs about ourselves, others, and the world, impacting our overall well-being. Types of trauma. Trauma can be categorized into different types, including acute trauma, resulting from a single traumatic event, chronic trauma, ongoing and repetitive experiences, complex trauma, resulting from multiple and prolonged traumas, and developmental trauma, occurring during critical periods of childhood development. The science of trauma. Understanding the science behind trauma is crucial in comprehending its effects on our minds and bodies. Let's explore the neuroscience and psychology of trauma. The brain and trauma. Traumatic experiences can have a significant impact on the brain. The amygdala, responsible for processing emotions and triggering the fear response, becomes hypersensitive. The prefrontal cortex, involved in decision-making and emotional regulation, may struggle to function effectively. These changes can contribute to symptoms such as hypervigilance, intrusive memories, and emotional dysregulation. The nervous system and trauma. Trauma activates the autonomic nervous system, triggering the body's stress response. The sympathetic nervous system activates the fight-or-flight response, while the parasympathetic nervous system helps us relax and recover. In individuals with trauma, these systems may become dysregulated, leading to heightened arousal or dissociation. Psychological impact of trauma. Trauma can have a profound psychological impact. It can lead to symptoms such as flashbacks, nightmares, anxiety, depression, shame, guilt, and difficulties in forming and maintaining relationships. Trauma can also impact self-esteem, self-worth, and one's sense of identity. Healing trauma. Healing from trauma is a journey that requires compassionate understanding and evidence-based strategies. Let's explore effective approaches to healing and resilience. Safety and stabilization. Establishing safety and stabilization is paramount in trauma recovery. This involves creating a supportive environment, both internally and externally. Developing a sense of safety, predictability, and healthy routines provides a foundation for healing. Therapeutic support. Seeking professional help is crucial in the healing process. Therapists specializing in trauma can provide evidence-based therapies, such as trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy, TFCBT, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, EMDR, or somatic experiencing. These therapies help individuals process trauma, regulate emotions, and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Self-care and emotional regulation. Engaging in self-care practices is essential for healing trauma. This may include activities such as exercise, mindfulness, journaling, creative expression, and connecting with nature. Learning emotional regulation skills helps individuals manage overwhelming emotions and develop resilience. The science of trauma provides invaluable insights into the impact it has on our lives. By understanding the nature of trauma, its effects on our minds and bodies, and effective strategies for healing, we can embark on a journey of recovery and resilience. Remember, healing takes time, patience, and support. Reach out for professional help and build a network of support around you. Together, we can create a world that fosters healing, understanding, and compassion. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration of the science of trauma. Stay tuned for more captivating topics and insights here on Modern Psychology.